So in this video, I'm repairing this broken silver cuff bracelet, which has been broken in two pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is file and level the broken ends. This way we can see how everything lines up, and it will also make an easy connection to solder. So we need to bend and file the ends so they meet and keep its shape. Once I'm happy with how they're lining up, I solder one of the links. With one end soldered, I can go about adjusting the second part so it fits nicely before soldering. With both ends soldered, I use a bracelet mandrel to shape it before filing the inside down. To keep the original hammer texture on the surface, I use a rounded end of a hammer to reinstate the effect. Now I start sanding the inside, starting with 180 grit and slowly making my way up to 2000 for a smooth finish. As for the outside of the bracelet, I don't want to remove any of the texturing already in place. So I use a steel brush to clean up the hard to reach areas before buffing it with a mop wheel and rouge. And there you have it, the repair of a twisted silver bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.